If you've been hiking and camping, you must know that it is important to reduce the bag weight. A heavy bag and big lantern? You need not take it with you. TRANSBEAM, composed of 4 modules, can be used as smartphone flashlight booster, color changer, analog projector, and finger holder depending on the combination. Put a small and light TRANSBEAM in your backpack. You are on the road. Take a TRANSBEAM with you in your pouch with excitement. You can climb the mountain with the light backpack. The day is getting darker, and you are ready for a night hike with TRANSBEAM. The flashlight of a smartphone is not very bright. If you use TRANSBEAM to increase illuminance, you can use your smartphone as an outdoor lantern. The specially designed spherical lens enhances the illuminance of the smartphone flashlight by 100 to 200 times. You can zoom out to illuminate as far as 200-meter distance. Use the zoom function when you need to see distant objects. If you want to see wider angle, please zoom it in. If you go hiking at night, you may be in an unexpected situation. Prepare this unexpected situation with TRANSBEAM. TRANSBEAM converts the white light into 4 different colors that you can use in various outdoor activities. You can use TRANSBEAM as camping torch. You can hang it on the tent or hang it on the bag with the strap included in the product package. You can use it as a mood lamp. Make your tent a moody place. You can create a special event with an analog projector. You can engrave a desired image or a phrase on the film. Make a memory that you will never forget. Convenience and fun. Take it with you when you travel. TRANSBEAM. TRANSBEAM will keep you safe in the emergency when your car breaks down at night. TRANSBEAM will be with you when you are cheering in a concert. TRANSBEAM will be with you in your beautiful memory of camping. Make a beautiful memory with your kids before sleeping with TRANSBEAM. TRANSBEAM supports for all smartphone models. You can use it for various functions using the combination of 4 modules.